Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So today we'll be seeing how to take text as input from the user and convert it into speech. For that, we would need to install a Python module called as pyttsx3, guys. So let me install that particular module now. So I'm writing the install command now with install pyttsx3. So as you can see, it has installed this particular module, that is pyttsx3, on my desktop. So let me write a program now. So for that I'm importing pyttsx3. After importing pyttsx3, I'm taking a variable called as x equals to, I'm assigning that particular function, init function, to that pyttsx3 dot init. This init function is from this particular module, guys. After that, I'm taking the input from the user. Input, or otherwise we'll take in equals to input of enter the text you want to convert into speech. Okay guys, since in is a keyword, guys, that it is not taking that, so let me change this particular variable name. I'll take it to a otherwise. Then we'll call the say function x dot say a, say of a. So whatever input that you give here, it will speak out here. After that, x dot run and wait. What will happen is it will say and it will wait until and unless this particular speech is completed completely. So let me run this program and show you now. So I'm writing hello guys.
Hello guys.
It is speaking hello guys here, as you can listen. So let me run this again and write
Programming with Gautam.
You can see it has spoken whatever I have written there. Okay guys, so it is very simple to convert any text to speech if you want. So guys, we can also save these mp3 files. Let me show you how to save that particular file. Whatever text you are giving, it will convert that particular text into mp3 file and save it for you. So x dot save to file function, the input whatever you want, then after that the file name. I'm giving the file name here as hello.mp3. Well, when I run this program and enter the text, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So when I run this particular, when I press enter, you can find hello.mp3, as we have given the name as hello.mp3, file will be created here. Let me press enter and show you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam.
So you can see after the system has completed the speech completely, that is, it has told the speech, whatever we have written here, it has recited that particular thing and it has saved that particular data to this particular hello.mp3 file. Now you can save this hello.mp3 file on your mobile and listen it whenever you want it. Okay guys, so now let me open this in the Explorer and run it and show you guys so that you can understand it better.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam.
You can see, guys, it has spoken whatever data we have written it in this particular file, it has spoken completely. You can also use copy paste, guys, here. That doesn't matter. For example, if I want to copy some data from internet, that is, so I have some Python documentation here. So I'll take the latest documentation. What's new in Python 3.9? I'll take this particular data here. I'll copy this. And I'll not save it, guys. I'll directly save it to python.mp3 here. Now let me take this back. Let me run this program now. After I'm running, I'm just pasting what the data completely here, and I'm pressing enter. Observe here, guys, you will find a new file called as python.mp3 the moment I press enter. Now I'm pressing enter, guys. As you can see, a new Python file, mp3 file is created here, python.mp3. So now let me run this python.mp3 in VLC player and show you.
When Python 2.7 was still supported, a lot of functionality in Python 3 was kept for backward compatibility with Python 2.7. With the end of Python 2 support, these backward compatibility layers have been removed, or will be removed soon.
So it is very simple for you. So it is very simple to convert any particular text you want into a speech using a Python program. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.